Hello everyone, welcome to our another video. From this video we are going to start a new series in which we are going to master the NumPy library. So this is the first video from where we are going to start our new series. So in this lecture we are going to discuss why we need to learn Python, why it's important to have a foundational knowledge of NumPy before starting AI, machine learning, or any scientific calculations, or to deep dive into the data science. If you are familiar with Python, you know it is easy to write, but the built-in data types like list is slow when you need to perform large numbers of calculations on huge amount of data. This standard data type in a Python struggle. So to overcome this problem, we have a library called NumPy, and this NumPy library is specially designed to perform high-speed numeric calculations. And because of this NumPy, the modern AI and machine learning using Python is possible. As you all know, the Python is simple to write, whereas C programming language is fast as compared to Python. So the power of both these two worlds, Python and C, the new library was created, that is NumPy. So this NumPy is a library which is created using C and written in Python and implemented in Python. So using Python as a Python syntax for the simplicity and the backend as the C programming. So this NumPy library is a library which is designed for high-speed calculations. So this NumPy library is the foundation for almost every field in modern tech, from data science to machine learning and deep learning, or you want to perform calculations on matrices or the vectors. So this NumPy library is the most needed library that you need to master. And the libraries like Pandas for data manipulations, Matplotlib for visualizations or drawing the graphs using Pythons, and the Scikit-Learn for AI, all they use NumPy to handle data efficiently. So if you want to master data science, or if you want to learn machine learning, deep learning, so this NumPy library is the foundational library you need to master it. So from our next video we are going to learn the NumPy, and after completing the NumPy series, then we are going to Pandas, Matplotlib visualization, and then we are going to machine learning and deep learning lecture. So if you are really interested to learn this, learn the NumPy AI data science, please subscribe to our channels. In next video we are going to see how to run this NumPy script, and we are going to see the detailed syntax and how to implement it. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.